to make sure the injustice in Ethiopia, especially the injustice against Oromo, go unheard and recognized, not just in Ethiopia, but here in the U.S.
Yes.
VOA takes the taxpayers' money, but nevertheless, they never want to hear our voice. They keep us quiet. Media is the new platform that really brings out the injustice and the truth. Here he gets VOA, even though millions of tax money goes to VOA, especially the Amharic VOA, they've refused to hear our voice. They refuse to interview us. They refuse to see our injustice. We come here protesting, but they don't see us. They refuse to see us. There's no more.
Again, just one more information for all of us. So VOA Amharic decided to partner with a radio station called Ahadu. Ahadu is based in Finfinne, who on a daily basis speaks against the Oromo, dehumanizes Oromo, and demonizes Oromo. We are a nation of equality. We are nations of democracy. But VOA Amharic disrespects the American foreign policy and decided to partner with Ahadu radio station in Finfinne. The Ahadu radio station has a clear vision and mission to misrepresent the Oromo, to demonize nations and nationalities in Ethiopia. This is the story. If you want to know one more fact, about 3 years ago, when the reform was going on, the reform that was gone, they even protested against Ahadu's radio. So today, Ahadu is the entity that carried the message of VOA Amharic. So our money, taxpayers' money in the US, is in fact going to misrepresent our story, to suppress our story. So today, we call on VOA Amharic and the entire VOA governing body to cut ties with Ahadu Radio in Addis Ababa or in Finfinne. VOA Amharic, say it with me. VOA Amharic, VOA Amharic, VOA Amharic, VOA Amharic, VOA Amharic, VOA Amharic. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. VOA Amharic, VOA Amharic. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. You misrepresent journalism. You misrepresent journalism. Journalism is a dignified profession. Journalism is a dignified profession. You are against journalism. You are against journalism. You are against democracy. You are against democracy. You are against principle of equality. You are against principles of equality. VOA Amharic. VOA Amharic. VOA Amharic. VOA Amharic. Cut ties. Cut ties. With Ahadu Radio. With Ahadu Radio. Cut ties. Cut ties. With Ahadu Radio. With Ahadu Radio. All we demand is for our story to be heard. To be heard. All we demand is for our story to be represented. To be represented equally with others. Nations and nationalities. VOA Amharic. You should be ashamed. 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 VOA Amharic. VOA Amharic. What you do is against the U.S. foreign policy. VOA Amharic. VOA Amharic. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed for letting in Abiy Ahmed into your program. VOA Amharic. VOA Amharic. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed for inciting the conflict that has to be resolved.